Well, now I will start my sewing. Now, as you can see, today I'll be using my new machine. Okay, it's new because I've not been using it since I bought it last year on October. That is 2020. I bought it and I haven't been using it really, and it's so fun sewing. I sewed some of my crunchies with this machine, and it was so fun. It's something really different. This is Brother Innovis VQ2. I know there's another really new machine from the Brother, but I really loved it, and I really love the big display. And well, it's now time to start sewing. And as I said before, make sure you subscribe to my channel and share, comment, push the notification bell down below. That way you'll be notified when I post a new video. And I'll be having most of my stuff, as I said before, I have them on Etsy shop. So make sure you go there and buy some of my stuff. Let's see how long it's gonna take me. So this, but as I have a red, I just decided to sew it this first and then move on with the other colors, which will be sewn with the same color together. I have idea of making this organza. I think I'll make this organza. I'll show you what I'm planning to do with them, and I will continue with the next time with another video showing you how I finish the rest of the of my normally I just forgot that this one has this automatic cutting. I need to get use of this machine, but I really love it. So I sewed this fall. I'm going to sew the green ones, but I have to change the thread, and then I show you what I'm planning to do with that. But before then, I always use this technique of folding in the middle like that, because for me I find it so quick and clean. You know, you don't have to do much while sewing on this. So as you fold in the middle, and then you take the outer one together, you sew and keep on pulling. You see, you just pull like that and keep on sewing. This is so an easy technique and I really love it. Everything comes really clean and really easy. Come on, I forgot this thing can cut the thread. What the hell am I doing? Man, okay, so this is really nice. You can see the way it's done. I'm going to take my sharpened stick and I'm just gonna turn this over. It's just easy like that. You see, and it's done. Just awaiting. I just put some elastic band, and then sewing, closing the gap I left for the elastic over here, just a small one, and then we are done with our but still I'm going to finish this and I'll be back. Well, I'm back. I'm done sewing this. Finished sewing the, as you can see, the round one, the organza ones. So I'm going to measure the elastic band now. 20 centimeter elastic band, 10 times because they are 10, and then after that I'm going to so this is 20 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 9. 10. So that one on the side, and what I thought, I wanted to put some beads inside this. I have some nice beads here. I want to use them too. I have to see which ones can go in here. I think I have to use, I'm just gonna use randomly ones. just looking for some which they have kind of wide holes that they can go through the elastic band. So now I think I will use the pin to push them in. I don't know if that's possible, but I'm trying. It's kind of impossible. Well, I found a solution for this. So I found this thick needle with a wide back. So I'm going to use it to put the elastic band inside there. So I'm just pushing the elastic band inside this this is really, oh my god, this is crazy. I think it's gonna look great. Can't wait to see how it's looking like when it's done. I love it already. So I think for the beads are enough for this, for them. Oops. Thanks God, I thought already they are like out. So now let's test it. So I have a safety pin I'm going to use for this. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So that is the beads I've been putting inside. Now I'm going to take my scrunchie and then I take a pin and hold it there. That's why it doesn't go through at one end. So then we push our beads inside with the elastic band around, and I hope this is going to look great. So towards the end, now I'm going to tie them together. you should put more. Let me see, I will put some more beads. Hold that one tight. Then it doesn't come out. So I'm going to use my needle again. Put the elastic band inside. And use some beads. So now we're going to push those in. So this is the finished product. They are looking really amazing. I think you can see the deco inside. They are amazing. I love them, and I hope you as well. You can order this on my website at scstaceycreationco.com, or you can just go to Etsy. My name there is Stacey Creation, so you can find me there. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Push the notification bell down below. That way you can be informed when I post a new video. And leave your comments, like, and share. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Mwah.